There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to the weekly update call, the insider call for Flash. Today we're going to go through some things, and first of all, what I would like to suggest to all of you is one thing. I will just share the screen with you so you can see here that you have, when you're on Vimeo and you're watching the stream, first of all, what you have to do is click here, click down here on the settings and put 1080p so you get a better quality. This is it. But what I want to share now, if we go back, let's go into our Flash accounts. First of all, we're going to go through our Flash demo account so we can see how is it doing. You can still see that we are still in a big drawdown on May, like especially on JPY pairs and also some GBP pairs. You can see right now we are still floating in. Let's see what is the drawdown now. You can see we have a bunch of trades open. Let's go all the way down, and you can see we're still in 48% of drawdown. But what I'm like noticing here with Flash is that actually what is the Flash is doing the best, it's working on the indices and gold and silver. I'm gonna show you right now. And last week I already told you that I think that USD Tech, USD 100 is gonna be like one of the best performing pairs, and you can see like last week it was all the way on the bottom, but you can see now USD 30, 101 trades, 900 euros in profit, silver 90 trades, 600 in profit, gold 150 trades, $600 profit. Then it's EuroCat, 509 GBP USD. It's also now performing really nice, and you can see German 30, USD Swiss franc, and now you can see USD Tech. USD Tech I started like running like 3 weeks ago, I think, and you can see 60 trades, and we are already up 443 euros. So if we go here to the FX monitor, where we can see all the trades open and we can see which one is performing the best, you can see right now that actually AUD JPY, CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, NZD JPY, USD JPY, they're all yellow, so what means that they're like in the biggest drawdown. And also you can see Euro NZD, we are still in 14% drawdown, and also GBP AUD, we are actually 13% in drawdown. So altogether 47% comes from GBP AUD, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs actually. And what I will do once these trades go out, when they close, I will actually do on JPY pairs and GBP AUD, Euro NZD, and these pairs that they're more volatile, I will be actually going even like bigger range between gears. And I'm gonna be put like 100 pips, that it can open every 100 pips. It can only open up 2 trades, so we can see if this would help. And definitely what I'm doing next week on Monday, on Sunday we're gonna start. I will just open up an account where I'll be running silver, gold, German 30, US 30, and then USD Tech, and we will see how it's gonna perform. Okay, so then my live account that I'm running, My live account, you can still see I'm still also in a drawdown. My drawdown like reached 59%. Why? Because I put cat JPY on it, and cat JPY was on the back test one of the worst performing pairs whatsoever. And you can see right now that cat JPY got me like in the biggest drawdown. Right now cat JPY, it's turning, also GBP cat, it's turning. So I hope I will be really fast out of these trades, and then I will be also putting on this account, live account, I will be putting the USD 30 and all these pairs to see how they're gonna also perform on the live account. The next thing what I would like to show you, I would like to show you one of my conservative accounts. This account, don't mind here the MyFX book, because the broker that I'm running on, NVFX, they're actually archiving the orders. So like, what does that mean, archiving the orders? Like they're putting like smaller orders, they're putting into one big order, and then like this happens to MyFX book. Like we can refresh so we can see if it's gonna be maybe something different, but I don't believe so, because look, I can show you this. If we go to history, you can actually see that here it's like only like 49 trades, and you can see here pips lot size. Let me open up lot size, history lots, and you will actually see that it's here. If we go to number 3, you will see that we have here lot sizes. You can see 9.39, 7.81, 0.74. That means that all these orders were archived. So this is not, and that's like why it shows us here like such a crazy, how would you say, my FX book also drawdown. I don't believe it was 96. The biggest drawdown what I saw here was actually, I think, like 200 or $300 altogether. And you can see this month we are up 1.73. I had some problems with this account running for 3 weeks. I didn't even know that it was not running, but you can see we are still up 50 euros this week. It's 21, and like we are doing 5.53%, and the drawdown was like really low. We can go see here, and you can see the drawdown, you see it was like 0.35 or something like that. It was like really low drawdown, I think $200 the most. Let's see if it's gonna be here better. Drawdown profit. No, it's actually. Oh, what is with this? I will actually put this one to FX Blue so we can get the better results. But yeah, it's doing like 5% a month. I put it up like 2,000 euros, and it's up now like to 3,000. It's performing really nice, and on this account, I'm running 6 pairs, 1 pair for every $500, and I'm running the standard pairs: USD CAT, Euro USD, GBP CAT, GBP USD, and NZD USD. And I will be only running these pairs on this account. I will be just like upping the lot size up for every like $500. So now when it comes to 3,500, then I will switch the best performing pair. I will go see and see which one is the best performing, and we can go and profit. You see, what are these? Okay, we have to change something here, but definitely I will be putting NZD USD on the higher lot size, and that will be actually it. So if we go now into our MT4, and we can see here demo account. Okay, we have nothing open right now here. Okay, let's go back and see here. So here, AUD Swiss franc, it's nothing open. AUD JPY, as I said, what I will do here, you can see here, we have here actually max trade space pips 25 for every 25 pips, 2 trades. So what I will do here, actually I will do it right now. I will put here 100 and 2 trades for every 100 pips, because you can see when these JPY pairs run, they actually run like really hard. And you can see here we actually went up like 900 pips. So what does that mean? If we would go like 900 pips and there would be only open 2 trades for every 100 pips, then we would only have 18 trades open. But right now we can go see how many trades we have open on AUD JPY. We actually have 50 trades open, so that would be a huge difference. Okay, so this is what I will be doing on every single JPY pair. Also here you see catch JPY, and you can see here it went up 980 pips. And also here we have a lot of trades open, so also here I will be switching to 200. And you can see here we have on catch JPY we have also 50 trades open. So here on Euro NZD you can see 82 trades open, 50 trades open. So definitely these pairs I will be putting all Euro AUD. Okay, we close here the buys. Euro Swiss franc, Euro NZD. You can see we will also be putting here for every 100 pips only 2 trades, and also GBP AUD. We will be putting here. Actually, we will open up here more trades so we can get out faster, and we will be putting here also 100. So this is like what I'm doing now, and definitely if we go here on to our pairs that are performing the best, you can see here okay, this is silver. You can see here silver, it's in a nice profit now. Also you can see how nice the buys and the sells are going on gold. You can see here German 30 also, like what nice sells and buys it's catching. Same thing with USD 30. UK 100, it started now like doing more trades. I didn't see trades like until this week. And also you can see here on the USD tag, we are like catching really a lot of pips. So this is what I'm gonna be doing next week. Let me see if there's any indices make sense, since stochastic works best with the instruments that have fundamental value. What pairs will you put on 100 2 pips? Or did you when did you restart it? Have GBP? Yeah, GBP AUD, it's like crazy. It was set to 0.1 per 500 race pip distance from 25 right after you announced it. Yeah, definitely GBP AUD. The which pairs I will like be switching to 100 2 trades per every 100 pips. I will be switching to, I'll show you USD JPY, definitely, because USD JPY, it's also like one of those pairs that like it just like when it starts running just runs. And you can see here also like 1000 pips from our first trade. So USD JPY, it's gonna go 2 trades for every 100. Then USD CAT, it's working nice. NZD JPY, all the JPY pairs I will put like 2 trades for every 100 pips, because if you look at here, it also goes up 700 pips. And then NZD Swiss franc, I will leave it how it is. NZD CAT also, GBP USD, I will also leave it how it is. GBP NZD, so far it's like working nice, but also with the GBP NZD I would put like here 2 trades for every 100, because it's known like that it goes like really hard when it goes. And you can see here it was like a major drop of 1700 pips, so it's maybe better to be on a safer side. And also GBP JPY, it's actually working nice here. GBP CAT, we'll leave it. GBP AUD, 100% switching to 2 trades for every 100. Euro USD, I will leave it how it is. And then Euro NZD, also 2 trades for every 100. Euro JBP, it's working nice. Euro Swiss franc, Euro AUD, here I will not change it yet because it's still working nice. And then Swiss franc JPY, I'm definitely switching. CAD JPY also, all the JPY pairs I will be switching to 2 trades for every 100, and everything else I will leave the same. I will also create a Google spreadsheet where I will put like how I'm like running each pair on the demo account, so you guys can see. And you can see also AUD JPY also is gonna go 2 trades for every 100. So all the JPY pairs and some of the GBP AUD and Euro NZD pairs, this is what I'm gonna be changing to more spread and less trades in between. GDP AUD, I will still test it, so like we can see now, so we can see how it's gonna perform. The guys already started like doing the back test, so I think like in the next 14 days we will be having more back tests because it takes like a really long time with Flash to back test everything. But definitely we're gonna do like 5 years, but we're not gonna be doing more than 5 years, because even 5 years it's gonna take like a long time, like per one pair, and we will be doing the back tests with two all these crazy pairs. We're going to be doing bigger range and less trades in between, and then like normal pairs we're going to be doing like 25 pips range for every 25 pips two trades. So that's what we're going to be doing, so you guys can get more results. We are also pushing up an update this week, a little, like just a little bit tweaks inside the code, so we can make it a little bit more, how would I say, Flash more, not so aggressive, but that it even waits for like even more confirmations. This is what we're gonna be doing, and also we are working on the updates. So how many max pairs it can trade at the same time, also how many the same currencies it can trade at the same time. So we're also working on that. So a lot of stuff going on, and we're gonna be making it better and better, definitely. And I think that like this demo account that we're running here all the time, it's like showing a lot of data that we can use in the future. So definitely we already saw what it can happen with AUD JPY, catch JPY, because I still know that these ones that I have it here, that it's conservative. I have to, like, I don't know why this my FX book is showing like that. But definitely like we did like a really nice result. I also started, like, one customer started a brand new account now that is going to be running it conservative. So I will also ask him for his my FX book, so you guys can see and have like even more data. Okay, so guys, if there is like no more questions, this is gonna be for today. Definitely, I will be posting into the announcement channel how I'll be gonna doing next week. Also, I will create a Google spreadsheet where I will be putting all the pairs inside, and I will write in how many pips difference I have and how many trades for every 100 pips I'm trading, so you also see and have more data. So thank you everybody for joining our call today live, and thank you everybody that's watching the recording. Talk to you guys next week.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.